Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to print stderr in Python. So without further wasting time, let's get started. So for those of you who do not know, stderr, also known as standard error, is the default error output device. stderr is used to write all system error messages. So we will see how to write these error messages by creating functions in Python. So the first thing is we need to import a form of a print function from something called as a stderr future method, and this will provide a method of returning the system calls as an error message. So if I write that from future import, we need to import this function called as print underscore function, and this will be useful for us. And now if you run this code, everything works fine. And an important point to note here is we always need to import this line on the first line of the file. Like if, for example, if I create a variable here a is equal to 10 and import this line on the fourth line, and if I run it, as you can see, it will give an error, and it says that syntax error, this function needs to be imported or needs to occur at the beginning of the file. So you need to really remember about that. So since this is a comment, it's really not going to interfere, and it treats the second line as the first line of the file. Okay, so that we have got that cleared out. And now what we need to do is, obviously we need to import the system model since we are making system calls, and we'll now create a function called as eprint, which we are trying to refer as error print. And now we will make use of something called as args and quarks. So let me just write that down, args, quarks, and these are basically types of return argument parameters, and we have created extensive videos on these explanations, so you could check out those videos to understand what they exactly mean. And now all we got to do is print the return call of args, and we need to create another file argument, and we need to use the file keyword and equate it to the systems dot stderr function. And now we need to simply print the return of quarks, and that is how we will return, and that is how we will create our stderr print function. Now as you can see, let me just make use of the normal print function and say this is a test. And okay, I've got a small syntax error. I need to specify double asterisk marks. So I've done that, and now if I run the code, as you can see, this pretty much works fine because this is the normal print function. And now let's make use of the eprint, that is the function that we have created for standard errors. And if I run this, it gives a small error saying that it does not have, okay, I just misspelled standard error, it's stderr. And now since I have written the function perfectly, it returns the print statement saying that this is a test. So basically we made use of certain functions and we created our own standard error function in Python. So that's it from this quick video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Akinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.